Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Kraken's margin trading safely. So to use Kraken's margin trading safely, follow these steps. First, you need to understand the margin and leverage. Margin trading involves borrowing funds to increase your position size, and leverage amplifies both potential gains and losses. To start with the lower leverage until you understand the risk involves, and make sure that you go to your chart and use the stop loss and take profit orders. If you're trying to go through a margin, right, and set a stop loss order to limit your basically your losses, your potential losses, and take profit orders to lock in gains at predetermined prices. And this helps to avoid emotional decision making and unexpected market moves. You can scroll a little bit down and see right here the options, right? And you can select the order type right here for and then select stop loss, right, into the stop price. Let's say for example 93,000, right? If it goes down to it right here, you can see that the current price is 93,388, and the stop price is 93,405, right? So if you are buying, right, the stop price should be, above that. Let's say for example 97k. But if you're selling and you're expecting the price to goes down but it goes up, you can just go ahead and set the higher price from here, right, to see, like, to buy it at, let's say amount of Bitcoin, and the stop price should be 93, or just sell it when the price hits at 93,000. Okay, and monitor your position closely. If you want to know more about your position, you're gonna see it right here, orders position, and margin positions can be liquidated if the market moves against you. So keep an eye on your positions in margin level. And risk management: never trade more than you can afford to lose. Use smaller position sizes to avoid over leveraging. All right, ensure that your portfolio is diversified to mitigate the risk of significant loss. And lastly, regularly review fees and interest. Kraken charges fees for margin trading, including 0.01% to 0.02% fee for opening positions. By following these guides, you can mitigate risks and trade more safely with margin on Kraken. So always educate yourself on the intricacies of margin trading before engaging in it fully. So that's been another comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.